Pros and cons of vitrified tiles. Dear friends, vitrified tile is a type of ceramic tile characterized by its very low porosity, making it hard, strong, and water-resistant. Vitrified tiles are premium ceramic tiles with a glass-like finish, high strength, and very low water absorption. They can easily simulate natural materials, such as wood or marble. These tiles are available in several finishes as well, including glossy, matte, and anti-skid finishes. Pros of vitrified tiling. It is one of the most affordable types of flooring available in many countries. It is suitable for both interior and exterior use. Vitrified tiles are created using the process of vitrification. So, all the tiles are scratch and stain resistant on top of being extremely durable. It is easy to lay and maintain. Suitable for high traffic areas. Cons of vitrified tiling. Unless it's an anti-skid vitrified tile, the floor can be a bit slippery. It is not an eco-friendly option, as the manufacturing of these tiles involves a significant expenditure of energy and carbon dioxide. The installation process can be somewhat expensive, as it requires the assistance of a professional. In case a tile is damaged, it has to be removed by cutting the grout lines on the sides. However, the problem is that while doing so, there is a high probability that the nearby tiles can be damaged. Even if you do want to replace the damaged tile while keeping the risks in mind, there is very little chance that you will find the same tile after a few years. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.